UGC NET JRF English 2025. Unit 3, Fiction, Novel or Prose, 100 MCQS Party, Postcolonial or Indian English Fiction, Q81 100. Instructions 20 questions multiple choice. Take your time to answer each. Correct answer or explanation will follow. Comment your score at the end.
Question 81. Who wrote Things Fall Apart, 1958? A. Chinua Achebe. B. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. C. Salman Rushdie. D. Raja Rao. Answer. A. Chinua Achebe. Explanation. Achebe's novel critiques colonialism in Nigeria and portrays Igbo society's disruption. Question 82. A Grain of Wheat, 1967, is authored by A. Chinua Achebe. B. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. C. Salman Rushdie. D. Bessie Head. Answer. B. Ngugi wa Thiong'o. Explanation. Ngugi's Kenyan novel addresses independence, betrayal, and collective struggle. Question 83. Who wrote Midnight's Children, 1981? A. Salman Rushdie. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Amitav Ghosh. D. Kiran Desai. Answer. A. Salman Rushdie. Explanation. Magical realism novel connects India's history with personal stories. Question 84. Which literary technique is central to Rushdie's Midnight's Children? A. Gothic suspense. B. Magical realism. C. Stream of consciousness. D. Historical realism. Answer. B. Magical realism. Explanation. Mixes fantastical elements with historical events in post-colonial India.
Question 85. The God of Small Things, 1997, was written by A. Kiran Desai. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Jhampa Lahiri. D. Anita Desai. Answer. B. Arundhati Roy. Explanation. Explores family, caste, and forbidden love in Kerala, India. Question Q86. Which novel won the Man Booker Prize in 2006? A. The Inheritance of Loss. B. The God of Small Things. C. Midnight's Children. D. The Shadow Lines. Answer. A. The Inheritance of Loss. Explanation. Kiran Desai's novel critiques globalization, migration, and post-colonial tensions. Question 87. Interpreter of Melodies is a collection of stories by A. Jhampa Lahiri. B. Arundhati Roy. C. Salman Rushdie. D. Amitav Ghosh. Answer. A. Jhampa Lahiri. Explanation. Lahiri's stories explore Indian diaspora, identity, and cultural conflicts. Question 88. The Shadow Lines, 1988, is authored by A. Raja Rao. B. Amitav Ghosh. C. R.K. Narayan. D. Mulk Raj Anand. Answer. B. Amitav Ghosh. Explanation. Explores history, memory, and personal vs. collective narratives. Question 89. Which Indian English novel is considered the first regional novel in English? A. Kantapura. B. The Guide. C. Untouchable. D. Train to Pakistan. Answer. A. Kantapura. Explanation. Raja Rao's Kantapura, 1938, depicts Gandhian nationalism in a South Indian village. Question 90. R.K. Narayan is known for which famous novel? A. The Guide. B. Kantapura. C. The God of Small Things. D. Midnight's Children. Answer. A. The Guide. Explanation. Explores human behavior, personal transformation, and moral dilemmas in Malgudi. Question 91. Who authored Untouchable, 1935? A. Mulk Raj Anand. B. Raja Rao. C. R.K. Narayan. D. Khushwant Singh. Answer. A. Mulk Raj Anand. Explanation. Depicts caste discrimination and social injustice in India. Question 92. Train to Pakistan, 1956, is written by A. Khushwant Singh. B. R.K. Narayan. C. Amitav Ghosh. D. Arundhati Roy. Answer. A. Khushwant Singh. Explanation. Partition novel highlighting human tragedy and communal violence. Question 93. Which novel primarily explores the Indian partition? A Train to Pakistan. B. The God of Small Things. C. The Shadow Lines. D. Midnight's Children. Answer. A Train to Pakistan explanation focuses on the 1947 partition and its impact on rural communities. Question 94. Which theme is dominant in African post-colonial fiction? A. Magic realism. B. Colonialism, independence, identity. C. Victorian morality. D. Industrial revolution. Answer. B. Colonialism, independence, identity. Explanation. Novels address decolonization, cultural conflict, and national identity. Question 95. Diaspora fiction often deals with A. Rural India. B. Migration, cultural identity, and alienation. C. Medieval history. D. Gothic horror. Answer. B. Migration, cultural identity, and alienation. Explanation. Authors like Lahiri, Desai, and Rushdie focus on diaspora experiences. Question 96. Which author is associated with magical realism in post-colonial literature? A. Salman Rushdie. B. Raja Rao. C. Mulk Raj Anand. D. Khushwant Singh. Answer. A. Salman Rushdie. Explanation. Combines myth, history, and fantasy to portray post-colonial realities. Question 97. Which post-colonial woman novelist wrote about marginalized voices? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Jhampa Lahiri. C. Kiran Desai. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. Explanation. These authors explore gender, identity, and social constraints in post-colonial contexts. Question 98. Dalit fiction in English is best represented by A. Mulk Raj Anand. B. Bama. C. Arundhati Roy. D. Salman Rushdie. Answer. B. Bama. Explanation. Dalit narratives explore caste discrimination and social oppression. Question 99. Which novel depicts Indian independence movements through village life? A. Kantapura. B. The Guide. C. Midnight's Children. D. Train to Pakistan. Answer. A. Kantapura. Explanation. Raja Rao portrays Gandhi nationalism and rural resistance. Question 100. Which trend is dominant in 21st century global English fiction? A. Gothic suspense. B. Magical realism, post-colonial perspectives, diaspora themes. C. Industrial realism. D. Victorian morality. Answer. B. Magical realism, post-colonial perspectives, diaspora themes. Explanation. Contemporary fiction blends history, culture, and globalized identity narratives. Comment your score. So friends, you have completed your mock test, and in this video we have done Part A, question 81 to 100. In the next video we will cover Unit AFPARTA. For more details, stay connected with my channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share for more detailed information. My channel, The Net Bard.